Guys, some of my fidgets are gone. I need to find them. Let's see. Oh, there are my stress balls. Infinity Cube, what are you doing? Sorry, my room's a mess. Wait. Wacky Track, what are you doing? Okay, guys. Is that my fidget spinner Dimple? What do you think you're doing? Let's check my stuffed animals. Is that a simple Dimple I see? Yes, it is. Magneto! I missed you. I'm still missing some. Let's look in the bathroom. What is that rainbow that I see? It's my poppet. Go in the pile. Let's see. I'll just leave you in peace. My Slinky!